Hey everybody, Carter Heiser here, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Wow, have I got a truck for you. If you've been looking for one of these emerald green Sierras, wow. 4x4, 5.3, has a 6-foot box, 6.5-foot box. Man, look at that color. And bench seats, heated leather bench seat, seating for 6, longer box, emerald green, 87,000 miles, big touchscreen, heated seats, remote starter, all the phone hookups. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. We're going to give that to you with the purchase of the vehicle. You can upgrade it. It's good nationwide. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. But yeah, look at that, 6.5-foot box, bed cover, tow package. It just goes on and on. I just love this color. What a great combination. The green, the chrome wheels, the tires are deep, the oil's changed. You just can't go wrong. You're not going to lose this one in the parking lot, let's put it that way. Seated Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com.